My name is Finning, and this is my bike check. My bike is named Nicole. The frame is a DK Team V3 in chrome, 20.5 top tube. My wheels are left-hand drive profile elites laced to G-Sport rims with Mission spokes, with 2 tight spokes in the back because they broke. Bars are Shadow local bars, 8.75 rise with ODI grips on them and the ODI bar ends. Have a Division terminal stem in black. Odyssey headset and Odyssey R32 fork in black. On my wheels I have Maxxis Grifter tires. And I have Shadow slideware die pegs. They work great. I have Madeira cranks with snafu pedals and the E-Claw bottom bracket in here. On the other side, have a snafu sprocket and Shadow Supreme chain, a Shadow tripod seat post, and a fan seat. I think that's all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at FinningBMX, and here's some clips.